Welcome to another week of distance learning, friends. Do you know what I'm going to say first? Always start here. I'm nothing if not predictable. Okay, so on the Room 206 website, you will find a list of all your assignments just like usual. This week for reading, you have a fiction assignment, a nonfiction assignment, and just independent reading. So your fiction assignment is to listen to The Giver recap in chapters 16 through 19, really similar to the last few weeks, and we'll finish the book next week. And then your nonfiction reading assignment is to do a little more research before our debate on Thursday about driverless cars. There's an instruction video that just tells you how to get into Newsela. If you have any trouble, make sure you watch that, and you'll just answer the few questions that are in the Google Doc. Okay, so for reading, that covered The Giver, Newsela, and you're going to keep reading independently on your own. A lot of people are enjoying the books in Epic, so if you need help logging in there, let me know. For writing this week, keep working in your grammar book, and then complete the writing stamina practice assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm still waiting for a few people to finish their newspaper article, and then I'll be putting it all together and showing you what it looks like soon. In the meantime, everybody who's done will have a little fun just practicing good old-fashioned writing stamina. So you're going to see a series of images that you'll write some short stories about. Just watch the instructions for details. Okay, so that covers reading and writing. For math this week, log into Khan Academy and complete the assignments on fractions. Yes, we're going to keep working with fractions. And this week, 2 or 3 times, choose to log in either to Reflex Math or Dreambox for extra math practice. I'll show you about logging in on Tuesday's class meeting into Dreambox. But if Reflex Math is getting a little boring for you, I just want to give you an extra option for math practice. And complete the Fractions a la Miss Kata assignment in Google Classroom. There's another recipe assignment where you'll take a recipe for granola from Miss Kata and make it smaller. So the instructions are right there for how to complete it. And enjoy the granola. It's very tasty. She's made it for me before. Okay, and then finally in math, if you're interested, you can complete the third Brain Builder assignment right here in Google Classroom. I did just give you a quick hint there in the video, or always ask Fletcher or Grant. They are both really good at those brain builders. Okay, so that covers math. For science this week, you're going to complete the landslides assignment in Google Classroom. So go to the landslides assignment and make sure that you watch the instructional video because the assignment is done in Google Drawings, which we've never used before, and I give you some hints on how to use it in the instructional video. So make sure you watch that before you attempt to finish the assignment. Okay, so that's science. And our class meetings this week, on Tuesday, we'll talk about math, how to log into Dreambox and do some work with fractions. And then on Thursday, we'll have another debate. Are we ready for driverless cars? And then Friday, we'll again have the 4th grade Friday free choice meeting, which is totally optional, and I'll post details as it gets closer. Finally, find a quiet place to sit and mindfully meditate for 3 to 5 minutes a day. Check out optional assignments from all your specialist teachers. And there's always more resources in Clever, which the link is below in here. So we'll talk about how to get into Dreambox later this week, and that is also in Clever. All right, have a good week.